In any financial journey, there are decisions to take, there are steps to take, and there are things that you do that will hasten your financial freedom journey. In our video for today, we are going to be looking at 7 actions to take on your way to your financial freedom. Welcome to my Life Plan Tips channel, where I talk about creating wealth online on your way to your financial freedom. Now, the first action you will take as you journey is to create your goals. Yes, what are those ideas that you have? What are those steps that you want to take? What are those things that you desire to have in this life? Yes, you must create those goals that will help you on your way to your financial freedom. Now, what are some of those goals that you must take? Number 1, you know at what age you will get to your financial freedom. This is very important because you will make a decision whether to retire early or retire late, whether to take a business or whether to follow the career line. The second action you will take on your way to your financial freedom is to track your expenses. Yes, you must know how much income comes, you must know how much income is going up, and you must know how you spent that money. So you see, you must track and budget your money to help you. Yes, now the third action you should take on your way to your financial freedom is to create a retirement savings fund or a retirement savings account. Yes, this is where you're going to be saving your money in order to invest, and it will yield interest for you. Now, the fourth action you will take on your way to your financial freedom is to automate all your accounts. Automate all where your money will be going to. Yes, if you automate all your money, you will have no difficulties in releasing your money, and then automatically your money will just be going into the right account. Okay. Now, the fifth action to take is to eliminate debt. Yes, debt tends to slow you down. Debt eats into your money, especially those debts that have high interest rates. So you see, you must, as much as possible, try to eliminate such high interest debt. The sixth action to take is to invest in capital market. Yes, after saving your money, after tracking, budgeting, and saving your money, you need to invest such money. You cannot leave your money in the account lying down there. No, you have to invest it. So you can invest it in capital market. Yes, you can invest it in real estate. Yes, or even in businesses, so that it will yield more money or interest to you, and then it will hasten your financial freedom. Seventh action to take on your way to your financial freedom is to increase your income. How do you go about increasing income? Well, you can start a side hustle. Yes, if you are good at writing, you can become a freelancer. Yes, whereby you write articles for other people. Or, if you are good with design, you can design websites for people or become a graphic artist. There are some side hustles that you can do to earn income. Another action to take on your way to your financial freedom is to start a home-based business. Yes, there are so many home-based businesses that you can start without you having to go out. Yes, you can start a salon from your house. Yes, even a barbing salon you can start from your home. Yes, you can make snack and sell from the comfort of your room. You don't have to go out. So you see, there are so many businesses you can start. Starting the financial freedom journey requires wisdom. It requires decisions. Yes, it requires foresight. So you see, you must do those things that will increase your income. It's either you track and budget in order to save money, or you increase your income, or you do side business, or so many things to be done to increase your income so that you'll be able to invest and then have extra income that will hasten your financial freedom journey. So until I come your way, please like and subscribe to our Life Plan Tips channel, where we talk about creating wealth online on your way to your financial freedom.